This review is of Brown Family Farm Pure Maple Candy. And here's the blurb. Lots of blurb. Lots of blurbage. Blurb, blurb, blurb. 100% pure maple syrup. Nutrition facts. Okay, three pieces. Serving size, 2 servings. All right. So let's just double this. 152 calories. No fat. Still no fat. No cholesterol. 2 milligrams of sodium. 36 grams of carbs, of which all of them are sugar and no protein. And do keep in mind that maple sugar is 40 plus percent fructose, which is bad for your liver, especially in a pure form like this. Now let's see what it tastes like. Oh, and it's gluten-free. I don't think I've had maple candy in a very, very long time. And I know that 150 years ago, it used to be a special treat. A lot of things that we eat constantly nowadays used to be special treats at certain times of year. And I think this is, made in a nice mold. That tastes like brown sugar, not maple. The heck? Well, okay. I had a maple syrup that I reviewed quite a while back that tasted kind of like brown sugar instead of maple. This doesn't taste like what I expect maple syrup to taste like. It tastes like brown sugar. So that to me means one of two things. Either I don't know enough about maple syrup, which is certainly possible, or it's at least partially made with brown sugar instead of maple, if not entirely, and that's why it tastes like brown sugar. I just don't know. So I was expecting a nice maple flavor. Got this flavor instead. So to me, that's that's not okay. I guess I will give it a 5 for flavor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.